There are a number of possible ways to join tubes and accessories in plumbing installations, including threaded joints, soldering, welding, and inseparable joints using press fittings. The Isotubi-USA system consists of a range of accessories and a press fitting tool. This system makes it easy to quickly and safely install in almost any application, but no connection technology is universally accepted without third-party certifications. And that is exactly what we are going to cover in this video: Isotubi-USA Press certifications. As the manufacturer of the Isotubi-USA system of stainless steel tubes and accessories, Isotubi-SL has been awarded certifications from the most prestigious bodies in the industry. Isotubi products are manufactured in our very own ISO 9001 certified facility. Regarding Isotubi's USA stainless steel tubes and accessories specifically, they meet NSF ANSI Standard 61. This standard states, if you manufacture, sell, or distribute water treatment or distribution products in North America, your products are required to comply with NSF ANSI CAN 61. Drinking water system components. Health effects by most governmental agencies that regulate drinking water supplies. Isotubi-USA Press has also attained an FM 1920 approval for pipe couplings and fittings for above-ground fire protection systems. For more information, you can always consult the Isotubi-USA Press System Installation and Technical Information Manual, or contact us on our website. The link will be provided in this video's description. All certifications considered, Isotubi-USA Press is the smart decision for your next project. Please subscribe to the Isotubi-USA YouTube page, like this video, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestion below.